Hey guys, welcome back to the Tylee fam. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a fully working paper squishy pencil. Let me show you your materials you need. A piece of paper. Any piece of paper will work. Something to fill your squishy with. You can use paper towels, cotton swab, well, not cotton swab, cotton balls, or trash bags, or plastic bags as well. You need scissors. Have parent supervision, young viewers, when using scissors. A pencil and something to color with. I'm using these markers and crayons. Tape. So now let's start. So the first thing you need to do is you need to fold your paper to how thick you want your squishy to be. And then you're going to crease it with your nail or your finger like that, or your nail like this. Okay. Then you're going to cut it out. And once you're done cutting out both pieces, the top part and the other part, you're going to fix up this part, which will be the eraser, just like this. And then we're going to color it. So let's start. The colors you will be needing are any colors. You can make your pencil with designs, with lines, or just like this pencil. But I'm going to make my pencil the color blue. So I'm going to use this blue, and I'm going to get pink for the eraser. Actually, I'm going to switch it for this pink. This one's neon. And let's make a switch up for the eraser. I want to be this color. For this part, I'm going to use this skin color. And then I will use only a little bit of black for a little part of the tip. So let's start coloring. Oh, and I'm gonna grab a crayon that is gray, so I can draw the little, or maybe a colored pencil. It would be better. Silver colored pencil to make that silver rim. So once I'm done coloring, I'll be right back. So everyone, I just finished everything. Now you want to do any trimming you have to do if you need to. I do, because like the top part with the lead is a smaller. I need to cut about, just mark it how much, there. Okay. Okay. Let me use this, save this for another craft. Okay, now that we have it, we're just gonna measure this part. And now we're gonna open up this part. We're gonna grab our pencil. But before we're done with that, we're gonna tape the top part with the bottom part. So this is not my idea. This is Flo DIY's idea. Flo Paper Squishies. Yeah, it's her idea. So, just wanted to give credit to her. Let me just put this piece of tape here. And there. There, now that these two pieces are stuck together, we can use the pencil or scissors, and we're gonna cut a little slit with the scissors right here. I'm not showing you guys how to do it the exact same way Flo Paper Squishies did. But I'm showing you a similar way. You'll get the same result, but not with the same way. Now we're gonna tape all this, secure the pencil to the table. I meant to the paper. Secure the top of it. We need to close up this part. So this is how it should be looking on you guys. If your pencil looks different, don't worry. Everybody does it their way. But I hope you're still following the steps. So at the end, we'll get a fun little squishy that we can use even at school for writing. And now let's tape over everything. Tape is so loud. I'll be back when I'm done taping it. But guys, remember, this is something important. You can just close this side and leave this open so we can fill it with our stuffing. So, let me finish taping and I'll be right back. A little taping trick. Once you have your tape, you can cut little slits into the tape and you will get a cleaner taping job. Then you're just gonna put down the little slits, tape, 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 tape. I'll be right back when I'm finished taping. Okay, guys, so now it's time to stuff it. So let's put the stuffing in. I'm gonna use this marker to help me push in the stuffing. I said the stuffing. So silly. This is gonna be so good. Except this. This is getting super good. Now I'm just going to put a little tape over here on the eraser part. And guys, if you want me to make more paper squishy videos, tell me in the comments or comment in any of my other videos, because I check my videos every single day, because my dream is to become like a real life YouTuber. And yeah. And I'm very happy with my 300 subscribers. I have 300 and something subscribers. Can you believe that? It's amazing. I just can't believe that all you guys are supporting me. It's just amazing. Shout outs, and I'm gonna give a few shout outs at the end of the video. Okay, this is the last step. We have 2 more steps. This step, it's going to be one of those 2, which is taping this bottom part so none of the stuffing comes out when we squish it. For this part, I'm using the little tip I showed you, cutting slits. Gonna pull down the slits and tape it. Somebody's literally with their lawnmower outside, and it's so annoying. The day I'm making my first actually a long YouTube video, not a short, is when they decide they want to clean their yard. You serious, neighbors? Ugh. Well, now that we have our pencil, let's test it out. So I'm gonna grab a scrap piece of paper, and let's try to make a little note. With the lead part right here. it does work. I said subscribe. I appreciate that. And like this video. So guys, you heard that? Subscribe and like, turn on the notification bell so you'll get notified every time I post a new video. And guys, tell me if you want more videos of squishy school supplies. I love you guys. Time for shout outs. So on one of my videos, they commented that they did the craft I showed them how to do. And so here are the shout outs. Erica Lara, Christiana Rogo, Audemars, and here are the rest. The next shout out is Pretty Girl Maya. Next shout out is to Kirsten. Shout outs to Christiana Isi. I don't know how to pronounce the last name. Aurelia Olivares and Ollie Porter. Dunya Marquez, Teray Logan, Victor, Cloudy, Leo Plays, and Cindy de la Fonte. Okay. So yeah, guys, thank you all so much for on my rate from all the views I've had in all my videos, which it's 38.8K. That's like all the views I've gotten over like my most recent videos. You guys are the best. I can't believe I'm accomplishing this. Thank you so much, guys. Bye. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. See you guys in the next video.